Very good morning. In this video, I will explain differentiator circuit. The basic function of the differentiator circuit is to differentiate the input signal. This circuit is designed with the help of passive components such as resistor and capacitor. The differentiator is the inverse version of integrator. Input and outputs are vice versa. So this is a circuit diagram of integrator. This is non-inverting input terminal. This is inverting input terminal. This is non-inverting input terminal. The input signal, ramp signal, is applied to the inverting input terminal through capacitor C1. This is RF. RF is a feedback resistor. This is output. This is the output is a square wave. The output of integrator is square wave. But in this case of integrator, input is a square wave, output is a ramp wave, just opposite. Plus V and minus V, these two are biasing of IC circuits. That means biasing voltage of IC circuit. What is a differentiator? A circuit that performs mathematical differentiation of input signal is called differentiator. And the output of the differentiator is proportional to the rate of change of its input signal. A differentiator produces an output voltage that is proportional to the rate of change of input voltage. So this is circuit diagram. IC is a current, capacitor current. IR is a feedback resistor current. This is a V0. Here feedback resistor RF. Next we will see circuit analysis of differentiator. In this case, capacitor current IC equal to IR. IR means current flow through the resistance, the feedback resistance. So IR equal to, we can say V0 minus V0 divided by R, and VC equal to VI. The capacitor voltage equal to input voltage. The resistance current equal to V0 divided by R with negative sign. So also we can write IC equal to, that is a capacitor current IC equal to C into d VC divided by dt. It is equal to C. VC equal to VI, that is capacitor voltage equal to input voltage, C into dVi divided by dt. So what is IC? IC equal to minus V0 by R. It is equal to C dVi by dt. So this IR equal to minus V0 divided by R. This is equal to IC equal to C dVc divided by dt. It is equal to C dVi divided by dt because Vc equal to Va. Since IR equal to IC. Okay. So that the output voltage of differentiator is equal to minus RC dVi divided by dt. So this is output voltage of integrator circuit. Next one, we are going to see what are the difference between ideal inverting amplifier, ideal non-inverting amplifier. The voltage gain of inverting amplifier R equal to minus RF by R1. Voltage gain 1 plus RF by R1. R1 means here input resistance. We can say Ri also. The output is inverted with respect to the input. No phase shift between input and output. The voltage gain can be adjusted as greater than, equal to, or less than 1. The voltage gain is always greater than 1. So this is a very important. The voltage gain of the non-inverting amplifier is always greater than 1. The input impedance is Ri. The input impedance is very large. So this is a basic difference between inverting and non-inverting amplifier. This question is in the exam point of view very important. Thank you.